If you are expecting, were you aware that oral health starts at birth for babies? And it starts with you? It is essential that expecting mothers are set up with a dentist and do their normal dental cleanings every 6 months. Also, it's important to keep brushing and flossing twice a day. Pregnancy can cause multiple symptoms and conditions that affect our teeth, so do not be alarmed and consult with your dentist. Once your child is born, it is important to know that gum health starts at birth, after the first feeding. It is vital to wipe their mouths after every feeding with either a mouth wipe, microfiber towel, silicone toothbrush, or sponge. This will create a healthy environment for their teeth to emerge in. Once the first tooth emerges, it is necessary to schedule your child's first dental appointment. Either way, your child should see a dentist by their first birthday. Here at Premier, we offer an oral health kit for moms and babies. The kit has everything you need for yourself and your baby. The oral health kit offers an adult toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. Also, a silicone finger brush for your child's gums, a child starter toothbrush once your child's first tooth emerges, and a toddler toothbrush once your child has a couple of teeth. Join Tootie's Tots Tooth Team for a healthy smile for you and your child. Let's run down our Tootie's Tots checklist for a healthy smile. If you are an expecting mother, please ensure that you are set up with a dental provider and you attend your regular cleanings. Brush and floss at least twice a day. Consult with your dentist about the symptoms and conditions caused by pregnancy that can affect your oral health. Once your child is here, remember, oral health starts at birth. Ensure that you are cleaning your child's gums after every feeding. This includes using a mouth wipe, silicone finger brush, microfiber towel, or sponge. Schedule your child's first dental appointment by their first birthday. Once your child's teeth start emerging, first, use a toddler toothbrush included in the oral health kit, then adult toothbrushes when necessary. For more information or to schedule your child's first dental appointment, contact 352-518-2000 or visit premierhc.org to learn more. Our locations that provide dental services are in East Pasco, West Pasco, and Hernando County. We also have mobile dental clinics that provide services at various schools in the community. To join Tootie's Tots, click on this link, call this number, or check out our website. This program is partially funded by the Gulf Coast North Area Health Education Center.